Hey everyone, it's Cashew. Today's adventure brings us to Camp Dennison, Ohio, to the Schoolhouse Restaurant, and there's a general store, thank you, and goats. So I had to check it out. Our adventure starts here. Behind the general store and the goats is the Loveland Bike Trail. This is a pygmy goat. These two goats are Angora goats, and they are rescues in a way. They were at a farm that was an educational farm, and it closed down, and so these Angora goats have come here to live. And this is a Sonora goat, and there are two of them here. And this structure was built for them so they could get some exercise, and goats like to climb, so this is just perfect for them. I was told this structure was built in 1962, and in 1989 the general store was open, so let's go inside and take a look. Any of you remember buying your soft drinks from these machines? This is definitely an old Dr. Pepper machine. Wait till you take a look at the inside. This place is great. There's copywritten music playing, so I'll have to talk over it, but I have one of these old meat grinders. And do any of you remember Barbie's little sister Skipper? And here's a doll case of The World of Barbie. Let me show you some of the things they have around here. The general store also makes the Schoolhouse goat milk soap right here inside the store. Wow, check out this old millstone. This place is great. It's like going back in time. Oh, this is really cool. They have these old vintage products, and the labels are in really good shape. Here's Gold Dust Cleanser. This is Poslam or Postlam soap. Sterling salt next to some Ajax. And Tintex fabric dye. No, I will not. I like seeing stuff like this. This is really cool. Okay, let's go upstairs and see what the second floor looks like. This is a great view. I'll give you a quick scan of the second floor, because I want to take you to the restaurant. There's a couple things I want you to see there as well. This is my favorite item in the whole store. Since we're getting ready to go into an old schoolhouse, I thought it was only appropriate to show you this old desk and chair from school. Definitely old school. And this is the Schoolhouse Restaurant. It's a little backlit because I'm losing daylight, but hopefully you can see it. And according to the literature, in 1863, the construction process began on the Camp Dennison School. It was first occupied after the end of the Civil War. The schoolhouse was the first two-room, two-story school built in the Midwest, and it was part of the Hamilton County School District. The school closed in 1950. Let me get some closer shots for you so it's not so backlit. I'm not sure if you can tell, but up at the very top was where the school bell rang. Here's their menu, and it looks really good. I'm looking forward to going inside and having a bite. Throughout the restaurant are really nice looking antiques. And if you take a look at the blackboard, that's their menu. And this is really nice. You have coleslaw and salad as you wait for your meal. And some butter and honey. Hey, look, these are the same kind of bowls that they feed the goats with. I feel honored. The coleslaw and salad are delicious, and I can't wait to see what my main meal tastes like. For an appetizer, I ordered the fried green tomatoes. I ordered the fried catfish, and wait till you see the sides. On the Lazy Susan, I have cornbread, gravy, mashed potatoes, baby sweet carrots, and green beans. And it all looks good. As you can see, the food was really good. And I mean really good. Okay, let me show you what the upstairs looks like now that the meal is over. And that was really good. This is the second floor, and as you can tell, they have banquets, and today they had a baby shower. And back in the day, it used to be the principal's office, and it was the auditorium. You can see the stage right there. Up here on the balcony, I found this drawing. I wonder how old it is. To give you an idea of how popular this place is, the parking lot is packed, and it has been since I got here. And the dining room and the lobby are just filled with people. In 1939, the WPA installed larger windows, steam heat, and bathrooms. The way the setup is today, the kitchen would hold grades 1 through 4, the dining room held grades 5 through 8, and the upstairs was the principal's office, and they also had an auditorium with a stage. That was great. The food was fantastic. It tastes like home cooking. It does not taste like restaurant food at all. And the service was great. It's reasonably priced. And if you like history especially, you would love this place. And I would recommend you make a special trip down here and spend several hours. Go to the general store, feed the goats, and then end your trip by having a meal at the Schoolhouse Restaurant. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. In the description box down below, I'll have a link to the Schoolhouse Restaurant. I'll also have links to my PayPal, Patreon, and Teespring if you want to contribute to my channel. So until next time, everyone, this is Cashew signing off.